Welcome to O2B Technologies, your trusted Odoo partner. Today, we're exploring how Odoo 19 Sales helps you create quotes faster, organize offers clearly, and automate the entire sales process. He needs his new office space furnished. I make him a quote on the fly, and it doesn't matter if I'm using a computer, tablet, or phone. I just type the company's name and pick the right one from the list. Thanks to Odoo's connection with Dun Bradstreet, all the details are filled in automatically. Address, tax ID, phone, and even the right tags. First, I open the catalog. I select the right category and pick all the items I need. These items are for the first area, the office space. So I rename this section to Office Space and specify its size. I do the same for the second and third areas. To make sure everything is correct, I filter through my sections and review the items. Back on the quotation, everything is neatly organized. For the office space, I create two subsections, the open space and the individual space. Then, I simply drag the items to the right place. I don't need the client to see the price of installation details, so I hide the price of the installation section. I also hide the composition of the office supplies to keep the quote clean. Instead, I add a note with only the important elements. All that's left is to add the shipping costs, which are calculated automatically based on product weight. I print the quote and review it with my client. It's structured, clear, and exactly how I want it. The client accepts the offer. I generate a 20% down payment and send the link. In the customer portal, everything is clearly displayed. The client confirms the payment using their preferred method. Once it's done, the sales order is automatically confirmed. With Odoo, 19 Sales, and O2B Technologies, your sales process becomes faster, clearer, and fully automated. Connect with O2B Technologies today and transform the way you sell.